Hey, you guys, I am back with another video, and today's topic is all about how to grow as a small YouTuber. So if you're like me and you got maybe less than 100 subscribers or anything like that, I'm going to be sharing with you today on how you can grow as a small YouTuber. So if that is something that interests you, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and let's jump right into it, shall we? So the first thing, in order for you to grow as a smaller YouTube, you're competing with all these other big, gurus on YouTube. And here's my advice about that. Don't worry so much about how big another channel is or anything like that. Just be grateful for them, be happy for them, because here's the thing. If you are envious or jealous of somebody else, you will block your own blessings. So be grateful for the 20 or so subscribers that you have. Even if you have 5 subscribers, be excited about it. I'm telling you guys, I've been excited the whole journey up to my 100 subscribers because, I'm grateful. People don't have to subscribe to anything that you're doing. But if you do, know that I appreciate you. I'm super grateful that you decided to subscribe to my channel. I hope something that I say on these videos blesses you. It helps you to be the best and highest version of yourself. So the first thing you want to do is share your videos on other social media platforms. So if you have a huge following on Facebook, if you have a huge following on Instagram, share snippets of your video and then put a link to your full video saying, if you like this snippet, make sure you watch the full video over at my YouTube channel. If you're on Instagram, make sure you're posting it in your stories, because your stories, a lot of times people will see your stories before they even read your content in your feed. So I know a lot of times, even if I don't post on my feed, I post in my stories on Instagram. And now that I'm back on Facebook, I'm in several YouTube groups that are very but be aware of, and I'm jumping ahead of myself, but be aware of the sub for sub, because, YouTube don't like that kind of stuff. So if you're in one of those YouTube groups on Facebook that be talking about sub for sub, get out quickly, because it's not going to work. And then too, it's probably not even your ideal audience. You're getting their following up and you're getting your subscribers up and your watch time, but these people are probably not your ideal audience. So that's number one. And then the second thing is take smaller clips, and you can make like a reel or make like a whole video of different clips of your videos and sharing them on your social media sites. Again, you guys, your goal is to get more viewers on your site. In order for you to get monetized, if that's your goal to be a YouTube partner, you're going to have to get 4,000 watch hours. And that sounds like so much, because I know in my brain, I'm still trying to figure out like 4,000 watch hours, really? But in order for you to get to that level, you got to get some sight, some eyes on your videos. And one way you can do that, again, is sharing it on your other platforms. You may be small on YouTube, but you may be huge on Facebook. Share tidbits here and there on your stories, on your pages, on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. And don't sleep on LinkedIn, because I've been getting a lot of views from LinkedIn. So make sure you're sharing your videos, you guys. And then too, like I said, collaborate with other mommy vloggers or whoever in your niche. If they have a huge channel, maybe you can reach out to them with an idea of what you want to do, and then see if they will collaborate with you. I see that all the time, smaller YouTube channels collaborate with people in their niche or people that they admire, and they do videos together. And then those viewers from that channel follow you to your channel. So that's another way to get views on your site. And then the next one is learn how to read your algorithm on your YouTube channel. If you go into your analytics, it'll tell you your top videos. If you know your top videos, you kind of have an idea of what your audience likes. So start doing more content around those topics. That'll help you. Oh, excuse me. That'll help you get more views and more subscribers to your channel. And then my last and final tip is find out what videos are doing the best and create more of them. So again, that goes back to you seeing your analytics and seeing, you know, and another thing your analytics is good for, and I'm still learning this to this day on how to read it, is your retention. You want to know, when are your viewers dropping off? How long are they watching your videos? Because the goal is to get them to watch it to the end. But when you know where they're dropping off, maybe you can tweak it how you do at this point in your videos, or you can go back and add a end card or anything like that. And that is another thing. Make sure you are doing a end stream, you know, like recommending other videos so that people can stay on your channel long to watch more of your videos. When you have that end stream that says subscribe to my channel, or if you like today's video, you will like these 2 videos right here. And that way, that'll get people to see more of your videos. And another way, and I forgot to write this down, on how to grow as a small YouTuber, is using keywords in your descriptions, in your titles, in your tags. And I'm going to talk a lot about that in the next video on the best tools to find out how to rank your videos. And what I've found that works for me is when I have a lot of keywords in my title and a lot of keywords throughout my description, and using the right keywords, that helps me to rank my videos more so that more people can view them. And then too, YouTube starts to push out your content when they see that people are commenting on your videos, when you're coming up in the suggested section of, you know, how you watching a video on YouTube and you see that sidebar that has suggested videos. You want to get in that section, because that's when people see more of your videos. So when you're using the keywords in your titles, your descriptions, your tags, that's helping you to be found more on YouTube, because the goal is YouTube loves it when people stay on their platform. So you want to make sure you're doing everything you can to have the right keywords. And like I said, stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to share with you my top tools that I use to help me find the right keywords and to help me rank my videos. So that is all for today's video, you guys, on how you can grow your channel as a small YouTuber, the things that I've learned in almost my year on being on this channel. So if you like today's video, make sure you give me a like this video, comment below on some of the things that you've learned as a smaller YouTube, things that you've done to help grow your channel. Also, make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell notification so that you won't miss a video upload. I typically upload new videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so, as always, remember, you are absolutely enough, and everything that you need, it's already on the inside of you. So God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Mwah.